Hi, if you've gotten this far, you've probably watched all the frequently asked questions stuff, which is good, but we're behind the scenes here at the firm because we want to give you the real inside scoop. These are the should ask questions. These are the questions that even our savviest clients don't know to ask. But we know as lawyers that focus our practice on trusted estates planning and do a lot of work for sophisticated families, the stuff that you don't know to ask, and that's what we're going to do right now. One of the frequently asked questions that I get is, how do I avoid paying taxes in doing estate planning? One of the should ask questions, the questions that really make a difference for sophisticated families is, how do I know if the technique is still valid? Because the problem right now is state governments and federal governments are changing the rules on us all the time. The thing that's always been true and that we often have ignored is that our family dynamics, our family relationships, our family businesses, our family homes are changing all the time too. I mean, we're a way more mobile society, and it's often not the case anymore where people will continue to live in an ancestral home, and that if we've got multiple children, they won't all make use of a long-time vacation property. So this makes the particular planning more difficult, frankly. So the thing is that you would like, when you do your estate planning, to be able to get ongoing information about changes in the federal estate tax law and to be able to consult an attorney based on changes in your personal circumstances. So one of the things that's important to ask when you work with an attorney is, are you going to keep us informed, and what are our options and what are our costs to find out if these techniques we're using are still valid? There are law firms that offer family plans so that multiple generations can come in, alone or separately. There are particular ethical issues that have to be dealt with there. There are firms that offer discounted family plans that allow for parents to pay for children or grandchildren's planning under certain circumstances. And there are law firms that offer the opportunity to get ongoing information. Now, here's the thing you're going to find, is that the malpractice carriers for lawyers don't want them to tell you that they're going to continue to give you information about whether your plan is valid. And there's a good reason for that. All kinds of things could go on in your personal life that could change that. You could get divorced. A child could pass away. You could have an illness. One of your executors could be divorced, or a guardian for one of your children could be divorced. All kinds of things that can happen that radically alter how the estate plan works. So what's a client to do? Well, one of the things is you'd like to have a plan where for a flat fee or an hourly fee to do your estate planning, that law firm allows you either a family meeting or a certain number of calls or consultations across the next 2, 3, 4 years to make sure that your planning is still valid. It's especially important in this volatile time when Congress is radically changing the rules annually for federal estate tax planning. I hope that helps. Thank you. If you liked that video, if you enjoyed it, if you found value in it, if it gave you information you didn't know about before, then you're going to want to see the other videos. We have some of the most frequently asked questions that clients ask lawyers on the topic of sophisticated estate planning and estate planning for families that have family-owned businesses and family-owned vacation homes. If you'd like a lot more, including the questions that you should be asking and maybe don't even know to ask, but that we as lawyers know you should be asking, then just sign up, click on the link below, and we're going to send you a ton more videos. Frequently asked questions that you need to know the answers to succeed as a family in your sophisticated estate planning, and maybe more importantly, the should ask questions, the questions that you don't even know that you should be asking. Thanks again. Click on that link and enjoy.